When it comes to personalizing your embroidery creations, the Babylock Altair 2 has it all. Resize your designs up to 200% larger and down 60% smaller than original size to perfectly fit your project. Instantly duplicate, rotate, move, and preview designs before stitching. Don't like what changes you've made? Use the undo button. And if you decide that you want it back, the redo button will have you back in business in no time. Reimagine the designs you stitch by deselecting regions of color and watch an entirely new design emerge. Are you looking for a way to instantly duplicate your designs? Check out the matrix copy and border functions to take projects to an entirely new level. If you haven't looked at a Babylock embroidery machine for a while, it's time you did. Stop by your local Babylock retailer and experience the Babylock Altair 2 in person.